we have to give them, we'll have to give them names, okay? And I fixed their hair and I washed her dress. Look at her beautiful hair.
I'm gonna do this one out too.
Okay. Look at her hair.
She's a mermaid.
Yeah, she's a mermaid. Hold it up in front of Papa. Show us her mermaid tail. And her hair. I brushed it and washed it
Like
all
Ariel.
This one. Ariel.
Yeah. And our last one is the butterfly. Her. Whoa.